Good afternoon, everyone. This is Trader Tim from eMiniMind. We're doing another Monday market analysis video to kick off the week. Hope you had a great, kind of shortened, chopped up week last week. I know there wasn't a whole lot going on for those of you who were in the trading room on Tuesday. It was pretty much a snooze fest as I kind of expected. I took Thursday and Friday off, and now here we are. You can see in the daily chart we've broken the 61.8 and not just closed above it once, but then today gapping up and then closing very strong today. So I'm going to get rid of the short 50% retracement, and we'll call this long down at 93.75s. Not just in play, but having more weight. Target 28.44s. You can see I've got the 2807 and a quarter, that prior high marked, and we've also got this prior high over here, 78.50s. So we've got a couple highs that we should be able to break through, pretty easily. The last couple of days, this uptrend here has been on, not the strongest volume, but we are holding. And today we started off kind of slow. If I go to the 30-minute chart, you can see how we were inside the first 30-minute range for about the first hour and a half. And then when we got outside of it, what did we do? We came back right to it and bounced. And that's what I've got drawn up here on the 512 tick chart. Trading hours only, low to high. We pulled back, touched it exactly, and you can draw up the opposing then. Watch that fail. You can draw up the first setup after that, also touched to the tick. You could even draw up the next setup after we broke this high. That traded. So all kind of long setups off of the trading hours only from today. And really good market structure, really good trending after we broke out of that first 30-minute range. So I'm expecting a good week in the markets. We've got a couple of weeks here. This week is a full week, and then a couple more weeks in July. As we get into the middle of August, so we'll call it, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 weeks from now, I would be a little bit cautious because the middle to end of August tends to be a little bit um, choppy and strange. So just keep that in mind as we go through the next couple of weeks. In 2 weeks, 2 weeks from today, I'll be presenting at the Traders Expo in Chicago. So I'll be heading there next week and looking forward to that. Looking forward to seeing a handful of you there as well. You can get the details to that on the homepage, eminimind.com. So tomorrow morning we'll be doing a live trading session, and really I'll be watching this high, this 27.96. If we come into that level, and then this 28.07s, be very, very important if we can break and close above that level. If we were to pull back tomorrow or this week, then all I would do is draw from this low to high and look for a potential bounce at that 50% retracement. So a lot of times you'll have a bigger level that sets up, and then you'll have smaller levels even on the same time frame. I would call this a big daily level, but then you might have another daily level pullback, a move on the daily chart that's visible, pull back to its 50%, even while you are still in the bigger 50% that hasn't hit its target. So nothing overly bearish about that. A pullback is healthy, and kind of for those reasons, I'm looking at the prior highs and the top of this 2740 area. You can see it back here too, 2740, to be acting as support. So I hope you have a great week of trading. As always, if you have questions, give me a buzz, tim@eminimind.com, and have a great week.